How's it going, guys? Xaikoo here. I'm super sorry today. I'm recording this video super late, and I have been trying to record this video for a while, but the party people on my nearby apartment are having a party. It's 1:41 a.m. as of this point, and they are still having a party. So what we're gonna do is wait a while and record because my camera is going to discharge. And I'm also trying a new setup over here. I'm trying to use the OBS studio to record this stream, so we'll see how everything goes. Let's hope that it records everything in the one go and I don't have to do the whole thing again. Anyway, today what we are going to review is called Pythonista. It is basically an app on iPad which helps you program Python programs. The reason I wanted to do this is to see how efficient this thing is, and could it replace your computer, your desktop, to be your main programming platform and change it to an iPad. So I just wanted to give it a try. I want to see how this exactly goes. So let's go ahead, let's do a bit of a programming in this and see how this actually works, because if it does, it will be a huge help to the programming community to have basically a small iPad with them everywhere they're going, than to have a whole computer with them and basically program their entire code into the iPad. So let's go ahead, let's see how this thing goes. So for the step one, I'm just gonna start with the most basic program there is, where I'm just gonna have two variables, both integers, num1 and num2, and we're gonna add that in a num3, and we basically want to print out the num3. So we have a num1 which is equal to 3, a num2 which is equal to 4, and a num3 is equal to num plus 1 num2, which is basically 7. So let's run this thing, and obviously we get total is number 7. Very basic stuff over here. It was kind of obvious that it was going to give this, but to test everything, we're going to test everything. Now what I'm going to do is I want to add a bit of a logic over here, like an if and else statement, if else if statement, something like that, and we see how this basically program can understand those statements over there. Let's go ahead, let's make this program. Alright, let's go ahead, let's test this thing. And of course we get greater than 5 is equal to 7, so definitely it is more than 5. Alright, let's go ahead and how about we try a while loop over here to test our looping skills. So alright, let's test this thing out. Awesome. So as we can see, num1 is 0, and I have set it like while num1 is not equal to 10, I want to print every number and keep on adding one number after the other. So it starts from 0 all the way to 9, and when it's 10, it's equal to 10, and the loop basically cuts out. And now my laptop's battery is discharging. Now I just wanted to say, I'm trying to keep this programming very basic, in the very limited form, because a lot of the viewers might not be that much into programming, and they might just be seeing how efficient the programming things are going on. So I don't want to go super in-depth in programming and everything, so that's why I'm just keeping it very basic, and yeah, just trying to get the best results from those basic environment, trying to see everything, how it all goes. How about we import random and doing something using that? How about that? How about we make a password creator? Yeah, let's see. All right, looks like our program is ready, and let's go. Let's see how this works. So, and boom, as you can see, we have a password with Xaikoo 5 daughter. So just like that, I guess we can do a lot of programming over here, which are kind of basic, but it does work pretty efficiently, and it is definitely one of those things which is new, groundbreaking, but it is not there yet. And I'll tell you the reason why, because I tried to add things like Pygame inside of this this module over here, but this thing does not support that right now. Maybe in future they will, but to be honest, as someone who's doing programming, taking this somewhere and getting a basic idea of how to run my program, how exactly would I be looking at my program, and getting an idea of how my diagram of the program would be is actually pretty efficient sometimes. Not always, definitely, because there are times when the program we are working on is so huge that the only way we can do it is actually to get the pen and the paper, and or I don't know, maybe do it some way high level programmers are doing at this point. I'm not there yet. So definitely it is a very interesting thing in the market right now. You can buy this thing. I believe I got it for $5 if I'm not wrong, and it is not bad. I mean, especially like usually such apps which are completely built for computers and which have everything you're supposed to be doing in Python already inbuilt in them usually go for way more than this. So definitely this is a pretty good interesting thing over there. And if you're trying to get your hands on Python and you have an iPad already just lying around somewhere, maybe you can buy this app and start working on it. It is pretty interesting, and it definitely does not make you a pro at programming, but it definitely gets the very basics of it done, so that when you are there to do the major programming and to build your apps and everything, you have a pretty good solid understanding of the basics of Python. And it is a way easier way to do programming through this than to just start programming in those big apps and everything like that. That's just my point of view. Definitely there are people who have other point of view as well, but yeah, this was a very different video. I'm not sure how long this video is gonna be. This is definitely gonna be a shorter kind of a video. I have something really awesome coming up real soon, so definitely keep an eye on that. The next two videos are gonna be pretty amazing. I'm really excited for that, and I'll keep you guys updated with it. Until then, have an amazing day, have an amazing weekend, stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, take care.